Dynamic painting, what is it? It's about letting go. It's about painting fast, loose and free. In my workshops, I share methods that work for me, ways to get you out of your head and into the flow. We paint on paper, flat on a table, because paper gives you permission to experiment. We use acrylics, we work quickly with big brushes and with bold moves. It's not about perfection, it's about process. We let go of ego and the fear of messing up. We paint like kids. We surprise ourselves. We reconnect with that creative spark inside. The only person you need to impress is you, and I think you'll do just that. These workshops are all about risk, expression and joy. Whether you're a total beginner or an experienced artist, this is for you. No rules, no pressure, just paint. Come and join me. Let's make something unexpected